How are you, sir?
Sir, did you expect this?
We always expected. You know, I've been here for a very long time. I have experienced this around 6 times from 1992 to the present, yung palit-palitan namin. So, as I said, we serve at the pleasure of our peers. So, there must be a plan or something. Or maybe God has a different plan.
Pero how do you feel,
Because
sir?
of the
We leave it
impeachment.
that way.
Is this because of the impeachment, sir? Yung nangyaring palitan ng liderato?
Probably. That's a very strong possibility. Because if I were Senate President, once the House approves the articles of impeachment and sends it to us, I will constitute and convene the impeachment court tomorrow.
May tampo ba kayo, sir, doon sa iba?
Hindi naman. Naintindihan ko rin sapagkat may mga kanya-kanya silang agenda.
You weren't,
Dahilan. So,
you weren't surprised at today's happening? Like,
not
you were,
really.
you were
Not
ousted?
really. I was kind of expecting it because we've been hearing talks a few days ago. So,
Pero sir, tama, hindi ko kinausap sa office nyo kanina.
hindi.
Before.
Hindi.
So it was the first time na narinig yung may numbers na
That's why I did not resign. You know, I accepted the motion to declare all positions vacant. Kasi wala nung usual na ginagawa.
Sir, paano na ang impeachment yan, sir? Sir, what will happen now to the impeachment process here in the House?
I
In the
better
Senate.
ask the newly elected Senate President what he will do with it and the rest. Basta sa amin, we will still continue with the work. We will insist that the impeachment articles, once submitted to us, be taken up.
Sir, may pinabawala kanina si Senator Bato